Hey guys, it's Tomer for the MarketZone. I hope you're taking the time to rest a little bit the weekend. March is behind us and it's been a great month for the MarketZone. Our trade setups provided very nice profits both in the Forex and the stocks market. And in Forex we had more than 600 pips in the cable, in the EURUSD, pound Canadian, and Aussie dollar. And it's been a really good month for the MarketZone. If you want to join our subscribers list, you can do it in the website www.themarketzone.net, and you can go to the weekly markets analysis, fill your details here, or the new section, the Elite Zone, which is gonna be a premium service starting mid-April. You can fill your detail here and you can get intra-week trade setups straight to your email. Our Elite Zone members received very nice trade setup, trade ideas during March, and also the weekly market analysis was very profitable, as I said before. I've added a new section in my site, trading literature, with my recommendation about the best trading books that you can read. You can see it here. So visit the website and check it out and share it if you like it. And now we're gonna jump straight into the charts, and we see how the indexes and the stocks and a little bit of Forex behaved last week. And everything will be ready for you tomorrow toward the weekly markets analysis that I will send the PDF file later on Sunday. So let's jump into the chart. We'll start with the EURUSD. This is the weekly chart. We can see here the trading channel that we've been monitoring in the market zone for the last few weeks, and the trading setup posted here to the weekly markets analysis members and the Elite Zone members. I took the position as it crossed below 139, and both targets have been hit. And the question is what we're going to see now with the ECB coming on this Thursday. So we are at support right now. We may see a pullback before continuation. It will be really interesting to see how the ECB will affect the EURUSD. This is an area that you gotta respect. It's a strong support, so if you are in a short position, I would cover the position, take the profit. That's what I did. And if you are looking for a bullish play, maybe that's the area to look for. Anyway, we'll see how the markets will open, and then we'll make some decision. I prefer to wait for a pullback to take a short based on the longer term analysis that I have, that the EURUSD should go below 135. So we'll wait and see, but for now both targets have been hit, and now I'm out from the EURUSD and waiting for continuation. Jumping into the indexes, we'll start with the SPY. We see the uptrend line. I'll be posting to you guys the weekly market analysis. We broke below to support area, rallied all the way to retest the broken trend line, created a very nice double top here, and as the price rolled below this trend line, it was a bearish sign you could use to take a bearish position in the SPY. Again, we found support, rallied, support, and then we have this bearish candle in Friday. You could see throughout the week that the SPY opened really strong, only to find sellers coming in and pushing the price lower, and Friday was the same. It opened really strong. It was up to 1%, I think, in the SPY, and it rolled all the way almost to a doji. This is an inverted hammer, a bearish sign, and now you can see this descending triangle that we are in, and we should wait to see which way it will break out. If we will break below, that's what I think, we'll see the sellers pushing the SPY and the indexes lower. That's the situation in the SPY. The Qs are a little different. Let's see. In the Qs, unlike the SPY, we closed below major support. The 88 was the support level I was watching. I took the bearish position here, this level, as we broke below this trading channel, and this was also a trade setup sent to the elite zone members. We broke below also minor support, but the most important thing was the close below the 88. We even tried on Friday to rally back up above this 88 level, and we saw sellers coming in, pushing it back below, a bearish sign for the Qs. And the question is if the Qs are indication to what's the SPY gonna do, or the SPY is the indication for what the Q is gonna do. Meaning, if the SPY will hold the support and rally, maybe we'll see this area becoming a false break in the Qs, and the bulls maybe will come back and push the price back up. I think that the Qs are the indication for what's the SPY gonna do, and we're gonna see the SPY breaking below support and joining with the Q to continue the correction move that we see in the markets. I want to start talking about some trade setups I posted in the weekly markets analysis and to the elite zone members, and show you guys how they went. We start with the XLF, and I mentioned we broke below weekly uptrend line. I posted it last week in the weekly markets analysis, mentioned this resistance area, and we saw sellers coming in, pushing the price below. We broke also this daily uptrend line, and now the only thing that holding the XLF is the 22 support, and it will be a nice area to watch throughout next week with NFP on Friday. I think that we'll see which way this the XLF want to go. Break below and close below. The 22 will be a bearish sign, and if we see a rally, we probably will see new highs in the XLF. So watch this level towards Friday probably. It will be interesting to watch, to monitor the banks throughout next week. Jumping to the next chart, go to the ACI. This is a trade I posted, I think it was over a month ago. I entered here as the price broke above the $4 level support, and we broke out of this triangle, and now broke also above major resistance. Now will be a support. If we see the price breaking below the support area, we'll exit the trade. If this support area will hold, we'll see a continuation higher. My target were let's see the weekly chart, around the $6. That was the final target I marked for this trade. Now we are about 5, and but I don't like this Friday candle, and I will look for the support area and see how the price will act around this area. Next chart, soda. Again, this was a long setup I posted the 40s, and we are reaching almost my target level, which will be the 200 SMA. We see some momentum in the RSI. I'm looking forward to see if soda can break the 200 SMA. I don't think so. I probably will exit my position here and wait for clear signs. Harley Davidson harmonic pattern I posted in my blog, and we see perfect reversal and reaching almost target 1. Target 1 was 65. we reached a few cents above it, and I'm looking forward for continuation at least to this area, and this will be my target one. EA was a trade setup sent to the lead zone members based on the FIB extension level, $30 round number, and price action patterns I recognize in the daily chart. As the price broke below this trend line, this uptrend line, it was clear that we're going to see the sell-off. Actually, we reached target 1, 28, target 2 will be 27, and we'll have to see when we reach it. And here 27 can be a nice position if you want to be bullish, trend trading, or wait to see a break below this support, major support, and maybe a bigger correction move. We are weekly overbought, so that's my long-term analysis, that we're going to see lower prices, but 27 will be my target. I will exit and wait to see which way this stock will go. And the last trade I want to talk about is AAPL. We have a bearish harmonic pattern, the bearish Gartley, sent to the lead zone member earlier this week. And although, despite this small rally here, started with a rally and finished with a very nice bearish candle, we almost reached target 1. Target 1 will be the 533. This area, and I mentioned to the lead zone members that we are above this downtrend line, so this could be a place for reversal. So maybe we will not see target 2, which is a little bit lower, like here. And I will monitor target 1 area and see, maybe we'll see a rally from here, and maybe we'll see a continuation to target 2, which means that all this was a false break. So this area, the 533, will be the area to watch. Target 1 will probably reach it. Very nice trade again. The harmonic patterns successful here. And the question is, are we going to see a continuation? I do think that Apple is going lower. The question is if we're going to see it from this area. That's it for now. That's it for this week. Tomorrow I will post the weekly markets analysis PDF file. You can check it out in my blogs, and also I will post it in my Twitter account. And of course, you can register and have it in your mail if you put your details here. I hope you like this markets review, and share it if you like. Thanks very much. Have a great week.